How to set default high contrast or enlarge mode for better visibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, so click on VN enhancement. So after click on VN enhancement, you will see display mode is here. So if you want to set default, so click on default. So if you want to set high contrast, so click on high contrast. So if you want to set enlarge display, so click on enlarge display. So you will select high contrast this default and enlarge display. So after selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set default high contrast or enlarge mode on for battery visibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.